New members of the bar must approach their responsibilities with an unwavering dedication to honesty, confidentiality, and respect for the rule of law. Advocacy should never become a tool for manipulation or deception. Don't be afraid to make unconventional career moves and choices, because I did. Your collective experience, I assure you, shall one day revert, paying you handsome dividends of the investment you've made with time and energy. The profound relationship between mentor and mentee and the tradition of pupillage is indispensable for the development of new lawyers. Mentorship provides young professionals with the tools to navigate the complexities of the law, instills a deep sense of ethical responsibility, and fosters intellectual curiosity. It is through this bond that mentees learn not only the mechanics of the legal craft, but also the philosophy and values that underpin a just legal system. I urge every new lawyer to seek out mentors who will challenge, inspire, and guide them, and I encourage seasoned professionals in turn to embrace the role of mentors. This reciprocal relationship is not just about professional development. It is about building a community of lawyers. My dear new inductees, ethics and morality are the cornerstones of the legal profession, defining the character and credibility of every lawyer. For the newly inducted members of the bar, this is not just a ceremonial initiation. It is an entry into a profession steeped in norms, conventions, and customs that demand the highest standards of propriety, integrity, professionalism, and moral responsibility. You must never forget that as advocates and officers of the court, your actions and decisions will not only shape the outcomes of cases, but also influence public trust in the legal system itself. New members of the bar must approach their responsibilities with an unwavering dedication to honesty, confidentiality, and respect for the rule of law. Advocacy should never become a tool for manipulation or deception. Rather, it should reflect a balanced pursuit of justice where fairness to all parties is paramount. Equally important is the moral compass that guides your interaction with clients, colleagues, and the court. Your duty extends beyond legal expertise. It encompasses empathy, respect for human dignity, and a sense of accountability to society. Avoid the temptations of expediency or personal gain that compromise ethical standards. For your reputation and the honor of the profession rests on your own moral integrity. As new members of the bar, you must also embrace the responsibility of being lifelong learners, continuously refining your knowledge and understanding of the law. Remember, professional growth is intertwined with moral growth. Each decision you make as a lawyer reflects not just on you, but on the profession as a whole. In conclusion, I draw upon the words of Lord Bingham, who so eloquently articulated the essence of the rule of law. And he said, the rule of law requires that the law must afford adequate protection of fundamental human rights. These words remind us that our ultimate duty as legal professionals are to safeguard the rights and freedoms that define the dignity of every individual. Equally, I turn to the wisdom of Justice Oliver Wendell Holmes, who said, "The life of the law has not been logic, it has been experience." This serves as a reminder that the law must evolve and adapt to the lived realities of the people it serves, your constituency, guided by fairness, empathy, and practicality. To the newly inducted members of the bar, I urge you to approach this noble profession with the gravity it deserves. The Supreme Court is not merely a seat of justice, but a custodian of constitution, the protector of rights, and the conscience of the nation.